everybody, it's Miss Y from Maker Monday. Today we're going to the circus. We're making trapeze artists. We'll use some very simple materials from around the house, and you get to make these fun acrobats. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a pair of scissors, some string, yarn or dental floss, a normal pencil, something to color with, markers, colored pencils or crayons, one straw, it could be plastic or paper, some cardboard, and a stapler. First, I'm using this box. I'm going to flatten this out and use just one panel to draw my first acrobat. Cut off all the flaps that we don't need. Save the other big side for the second acrobat. My first acrobat will have very long legs. I'm going to draw this acrobat upside down. These legs should look way too long. Here comes the body, the torso, and the arms with the hands. The head will go right in here. Think about what your acrobat is going to wear. Is it a leotard, a costume, a tutu? Draw the hair upside down and the face upside down. Then add some color. Make your costumes really bright and fun. You could even add stickers or glitter, anything that you have at home. My first acrobat is going to have fishnet tights and a really bold outline. Now it's time to cut it out. I like to keep the bold outline, but you are the artist, you decide how your acrobat looks. I'm not worried about going all the way in between every finger, just keeping it simple. Now we're going to create the trapeze. Get your straw and we're going to cut it a little wider than our trapeze artist, right about here. We're going to put the string through the straw. It helps by holding the straw straight up and down and make the string go straight down. It's easier to thread that way. Then we're going to tie the ends together. Any kind of knot will do. Now it's time to attach our trapeze artist to the trapeze. Get your stapler, roll the legs around backwards, and give it a nice good staple. If you don't have a stapler, you could use a glue stick or tape. I used the other big section of that cookie box to create another acrobat. This trapeze artist is going to be holding the hands of the first one. Draw another one just like we did before and cut it out. I'm going to attach these two trapeze artists by staples, but again, you could use tape or glue stick. Good job, makers! Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to make a fun art project every week. See you next time!